malamig-lamig. Good morning mga ka-biking. Another Friday ride na naman po tayo dito sa Jeddah. At samahan niyo po muli ako mag-explore sa Jeddah. Piyok. Explore tayo sa Australia. Maganda-ganda yung ating ride ngayon. So, sa lahat, ingat din po. Ang daya mo, lagi mo ako iniiwan eh. Pagdating ko wala lagi kayo eh.
Kita yung laruan na naman si Joe. Bias ko.
Video yan. Video. Wala na. Wala na. Kailangan ng palambutin. Huwag kang hihinto, may camera.
Nama.
May mga gamit mo, huwag mo na tanggalin pag huminto ka.
to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every
Chris.
time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything
Balik
the
na yan.
same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
Kanan,
gray
kanan.
as you fade away.
Yan na, huli ka na.
As you fade away.
Kanan, kanan. Ganun tayo.
As you fade away.
Ayun o.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I guess
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long,
Ay, bumabawi.
to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Diretso, tapos sa asfalto kanan.
As you
Pataas.
fade away.
Ah,
As you fade away.
Transparent ka.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Kanan. Matarik dyan ha. Kumusta? Tagal natin din nagkita. Ha? Ha? Woo! Tagal natin din nagkita. Ang galing oh. Woohoo! Tagal natin din nagkita. Ha? Balita. Ha? Hmm? Oo, yan yun.
Dito ka ba?
Oo. Kasi may asfalto rito, kaliwa. Di ba yung direksyon ng ano, ng papuntang Marius Peak? Kaliwa naman ako. Tignan natin din nagkita. Balita. Ha? Wala akong pagkain eh. Tubig na lang. Oh. Ito ah.
Malaki na ni Kitty.
Ikaw. Ito ah. Ah, tangi. Ito. Ah.
Sa kabilang buhay, ikaw din kainin nila.
Ah.
Dalawa lang yun. Ibigyan daw eh. Painumin ka lang. Painumin ka. Huwag ikaw kainin. Pulutanin, no? Ayan. Oo, no.
Wala na. Oh, nasa mid ka pa. Tubig na nga lang.
Bitin nga eh.
Ang bihira.
Oh, biskit.
Wala na, naubos na yung dinadala kong ano eh. Cubs eh. Babay na.
Pare, haba buhay mo.
Babay na.
Ano, parin ko? Ano? Makakawit siya.
Bye.
Mabait na, mabait. Makayop, makayop.
Walang pagkain. Diyan lang pala kayo sa kabila nagtatambay. Hanap ako ng hanap nung nakaraan. May dala akong pagkain eh. Balik na. Balik na, balik na.